What's up, guys? Here we have a 2016 Jeep Patriot, and we're going to be replacing the throttle body in this baby. So let's go ahead and get started. All right. First things first, we're going to remove this plastic right here, and to remove that, we need to twist these to the right, and then just pull this up out of there. Bam. That's how you do it. Move it to the side. Okay, our next step will be to remove this. So this little connector right here, we slide this and then we unlock it, push the pin down, pull it back, bam, disconnected. We gotta loosen this one up right here, and the other one in the bottom, just follow it through, get a little small flathead screwdriver like this and take it out, and then we'll expose the throttle body. Alright, so once you have removed your air hose, I got it right here. You can put it somewhere where you won't lose it. Please don't lose that. We removed the battery so we can have more clearance, more room in here. Alright, and let's see if you can see that. There's your throttle body right there. And it's held on by 4 bolts. I'm going to try to put some little arrows pointing at that. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Bam. Take those 4 bolts out, and then your unplug that wire right there, and your throttle body should come out just like that. Alright, so we're going to begin by removing this bracket right here. I don't know if you can see it right underneath this section. I'm going to try to point at it. It's right there in the middle of the screen. That bracket, that bolt you see, hooks onto the throttle body. So we need to take that off. That's a 13mm. Take that off, and then the throttle body should be ready to be released after you take those bolts off. So here we go. Alright, so once you remove that bracket from right there, do you see that, the bolt missing? Anyways, this is my setup right here. I got a long extension with a 10mm in the end to remove the bolts on the throttle body, just like that. Let me try to get in there. Oh. Let me get on there. What's up? Let me show you how it's done. Alright, so we put it on there. Sorry for my crappy camera work here, but I need to be able to see. Alright, so you see, just like that, I got a swivel in the end, a 10mm, and do this, and it takes it right off. Alright, now you reach in here, pull the screws out, put them somewhere where you won't lose them. And repeat that for the next other ones, and we should be able to get that loose. Now, with all those 4 bolts loose, it should comes right off just like that. And there you go. You got your throttle body. Look how dirty that is. So let me maneuver this out and show it to you. There you go. This is what a nasty, old, dirty throttle body looks like. Apparently, we were having trouble with this with a little thunderbolt light on my dash. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and drop the new one, install in the reverse order, and we'll show you the results. Here we go. Look at the new one compared to the old one. That's what I'm talking about. So we're gonna drop this new throttle body in there, hoping it solves our problems. And here we go. Let's do it in reverse order. We're gonna drop it in there and then install our 4 screws that we took out. Put that bracket back on before you put those screws. This bracket right here. And then you should be good to go. All right, let's do it. All right, guys. Now with the new throttle body in place, we're going to go ahead and put this hose back on there and plug everything where it needs to be plugged in and move on. Put the battery back on, put it back together, and hope this job works. All right, here we go. All right, guys. Once your hose is in and everything is plugged in, we're going to put the battery back on, put everything back together, and start it up. So here we go. All right, just finished putting the last piece in. We're going to go ahead and start this up and see what we end up with. Here we go. All right, guys, here we are inside the Jeep, and we're going to start it up. Look, you see that thunderbolt right there? That thunderbolt is what was stuck on. That light that was on for me. And my car would be in what's called limp mode, I guess, because it wouldn't go past a certain speed, and it would be idling like really, really high. Probably about 2,000 RPMs. Put it in drive. Now after reinstalling the new throttle body, the light's gone off, so we can go for a quick spin and see if we have some speed now. Sorry I didn't have a video of what it was doing before, because we replaced the throttle body before I could record a video. It was very urgent. We did it. So now we have acceleration and power back. Yes, just like that. I'm in a neighborhood right now, so I can't really go that fast. But it is no longer in limp mode the way it was before, and we're ready to go. So please do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe to keep these videos coming and support our channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you fix your Jeep. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.